Hello everyone, this is Row Echelon Form of a matrix. We are going to see how to solve this question, which is equal to a form of 3 cross 3 matrix. So we need to make those two numbers 0, and after we are going to look for a leading one here and a leading one in the third row. So we are going to use the first row, 1, 2 and 1. So what we need in order to make 0 here with the second row and the third column, we're going to use R1. R1 means the first row, and the second row. So we are going to use 1. If we use 1 here times 1 plus minus 1, you get 0 here. We use 1 times 2 plus 0, you get 2 here. 1 times 1 plus 2, you get 3 here. We are going to the third row. We are using the first row. First row is this one, and the third row we are using minus 2 in order to put 0 here. We do the same thing with small calculations. Minus 1 times 1 plus 2 gets 0. So as we have 0 here, we are going to make a leading one here and a leading one here in the third row. So what you need in order to make a leading one in the second row, this is the second row. We are looking for a number is equal to 1 by 2. If you divide 1 by 2 by all by this number, you're going to get 1 here, and which is equal to the leading one. And the third row stays the same here. As we have a leading one here, we are going to use the second row in order to solve the third row. We are, as I said, we are going to use the second row. The second row in order to solve the third row. So we need 0 here and the leading one in the third row. This is a form of Row Echelon form of a matrix. We are using the second row, R2. So what is next? What you need to put here in order to get 0 here in the third row, you need 3. Once you multiply 3 times 1 plus minus 3, you get 0 here. Once you multiply 3 times 3 by 2, you get minus 1 is equal to 2, minus 1 by 2. So we need to get a leading one here in order to respect the form of Row Echelon form. So what you need minus, minus 2 in order to get a leading 1 here in the third row. And this is a row echo form of a matrix. What is row echo form of a matrix? In the diagonal entries, you have to be with leading 1. And below the diagonal entries, you have to be with 0. Thank you guys. We are going to see in the next video how to solve a reduced row echo form of a matrix. Thank you.